How to start a $400,000 Gold IRA investment. Investing $400,000 in a Gold IRA can be a smart way to secure your financial future. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's the guide to get you started. 1. Understand a Gold IRA. A Gold IRA is a self-directed account for physical precious metals, unlike a traditional IRA with paper assets. 2. Define your goals and risk tolerance. Decide if you're focused on wealth preservation or diversification, and understand your comfort with market fluctuations. 3. Choose a reputable custodian. Find a custodian, bank or trust company, approved by the IRS, known for reliability and transparent fees. 4. Pick the right account type. Choose between a traditional Gold IRA, pre-tax contributions, or a Roth Gold IRA, post-tax contributions with tax-free withdrawals. 5. Select precious metals. Decide which metals to invest in: gold, silver, platinum, or palladium, based on their market potential. 6. Transfer funds. Roll over or transfer funds from an existing retirement account into your new Gold IRA without incurring tax penalties. 7. Find a trusted dealer. Work with a dealer offering IRS-approved metals and transparent pricing. 8. Purchase and store metals. Instruct your custodian to buy and store your metals in an IRS-approved depository. 9. Monitor your investment. Keep track of market trends and adjust your portfolio as needed. 10. Consult a financial advisor. Seek expert advice to optimize your investment strategy and ensure it aligns with your goals. By following these steps, you can start your Gold IRA investment with confidence and clarity. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.